Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We compare the power in here. We see that the cubic root of s, that's about s to the power of 1 over 3. About s, that's about power number 1. This one is about power number 1. So we compare number 1 and 1 over 3, and we know that number 1 is bigger than 1 over 3. So in this situation, we divide both numerator and denominator by s. So s divided by s, you got about 1. This one similar. This one is about 1 over s to the power of 1 minus 1 over 3. So this one we will have 2 over 3. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one go to positive infinity. This one will go to positive infinity. 3 divided by positive infinity and 1 divided by positive infinity, you will get about 0. So the answer for the question in here should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.